up. This is not Champagne Talks with Splash yet. We're creating that, we're working on it. But guys, I wanted to make a video on my opinion on why a lot of young entrepreneurs are failing. And if you're a young entrepreneur, what you should focus on to actually see real success, right? Because I've been there, guys. I started this entrepreneurship journey when I was 16 years old. I am 20 years old now, and I'm still just getting started. I'm still learning. I'm still improving every day. I'm learning lessons that are helping me every day, right? And I kind of want to share it with you guys. I want to share with you guys some of the things I've learned, some of the things I've been noticing. Also, I do have a course, so I get to see, a lot of people go through a journey of not knowing something, to some succeeding, to some failing. So I thought it would be an amazing idea for me to create this video where I can actually go ahead and tell you guys my thoughts and my opinions, on the subject of why entrepreneurs fail. So one of the main reasons why young entrepreneurs fail is because they're so focused on money versus developing skills and running a business. And what I mean by that, and also, it's easy for me to sit here and tell you guys money's not, oh, don't focus on the money, as I am someone, that has been grateful enough to have certain amount of money. I'm grateful for my blessings, basically, right? But I'm telling you guys, when you're starting out, when you're young, you will make a lot of mistakes chasing money because your view on business will be solely focused on money, right? Money in versus money out. You might not take that deal because, it's only $1,000 in, not realizing the non-monetary value of that, right? Or not understanding, what can I learn from this? So a lot of people, they focus so much on the money that they miss out on what matters, and that is building skills and building experience and getting better at something every day, right? So take an example for me. When I first started, I started with drop shipping. That was solely to, make money. But during that journey, I started slowly developing skills, and those skills in the long run became helpful, right? Even though I didn't make that much money with drop shipping, I developed skills that help me to this day, right? So quick example, when I was doing drop shipping, I got the skill of email marketing, right? And in 2017, I started writing emails for e-commerce stores. And if you guys know me now, that is what I do full time. I'm actually one of the, leading guys when it comes to email marketing for e-commerce. I have over 200, more students, just 200 inside of my course, but way more people that I've inspired to start their own email marketing agency, right? And I say that to say this: I focused on skills and I built up skills, and that allowed me to catch different opportunities because I had the skills to, fulfill that opportunity, right? They say luck is when opportunity meets preparation. I was prepared, so when the opportunity presented itself, I was ready, right? So that's one of the main things, is so many young entrepreneurs are focused on getting that money, money in, money in, but not focusing on money out, not understanding expenses, not understanding that, there is such a thing as good expenses, there is such a thing as good debt. Even though anyone that's young right now, please don't go into debt to, start a business, please don't go into debt to do anything. But understand that you guys can just focus. I really believe you should only focus on skills acquisition in the beginning, right? Right now, I have the skills of copywriting, email marketing, somewhat Facebook advertising, sales, Instagram marketing, personal branding. See, that's a lot of skills I have, and that's not even me telling you all the skills I have, but basically me having the skills, what it helps with is, let's say I start a business tomorrow, I might still have that process, the moment of sucking, the moment of not understanding shit. So something I'm going with stocks right now where, I'm still understanding stocks. I'm losing money. I am, not knowing what's going on. But the thing is, it's the process, right? However, because I have the skills I already have, the process is shorter, right? I already know how to learn effectively. That's a skill, guys. Learning is a skill. A lot of people think reading and just reading something. No, learning is a skill in itself, right? So just having that skill, I can move from industry to industry easily, right? And adapt easily as well. And I really want to drill that into your head, guys. Skills pay the bills. Skills acquisition is what matters because, forget just the business side of things. Skills pay the bills, guys, okay? You should be focusing on acquiring skills because let's say you meet someone of value. If you have certain skills, you can add value into their life. That's how I met my first mentor, guys. So when I met Brandon, I was just known as Splashman, Splashman the kid, blah, 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 whatever, right? But the thing is, he realized I had certain skills that he can actually benefit from. So I knew Instagram marketing. So 2 months later, he invited me to talk to his coaching students about Instagram marketing, right? When it was time, he wanted me to build out his Shopify stores, right? Different skills that I have, guys. See, again, it goes back to skills. Even now, I say, if I was to meet Drake tomorrow, it would be cool, but I don't know if I have the skills or the value that I really need to provide to him, you know, like to kind of follow up with him. You guys get what I mean? It's like, let's say I have the skills of doing something crazy for OVO. You know what? Even though I can do emails for OVO because OVO emails aren't the best, but I'm saying like if I had more skill sets, you know, I have a reason to follow up. I can be like, yo, I can do this. Same thing with when you network with people, right? People are more likely to network with you if you have more skill sets. Because when you have and I also don't want to confuse this with, okay, get a lot of skill sets and, you know, no, one or two. Focus on one or two skill sets and be really good at it, okay? That's what I do. I'm really good at email marketing and I'm really good at selling, okay? And, you know, I don't advocate sales like that and I don't preach as a sales guy, but trust me, guys, my sales is amazing, okay? And that is what helps me make all the money. And that is also what helps me network with people, right? This skill brought me to where I am today, and this skill is helping me meet people, helping me make money, helping me with guys, I really and you know, back to what I was saying, back to the monetary thing is like, don't focus on the monetary things so much, especially in the beginning, because I'm telling you guys, even now, guys, like at the money I make, it's like I still to this day, you know, would work for someone at a very low pay just to learn from them, you know? I think a lot of people don't understand learning, understand the power of learning, understand how beneficial learning is, but that is their own, that is what's gonna cause their own, you know, downfall, right? Learn, guys, learn. And that is one of the biggest things I can say, man, is like, yo, focus on skills rather than getting paid like a lot right now. Like you can still get paid developing your skills, but focus on the skills rather than getting paid so much right now, okay? Anyways, that's my quick rant for today, guys. If you guys do want to learn the skill of email marketing, the best place for that is my community/course called Online Skills Agency. You have a step-by-step blueprint of learning the skill of email marketing and running the business. Plus, we have a group chat on Telegram in a community where you can ask questions, you can get help from me. We're always having discussions, so it's always a vibe. Anyways, guys, if you guys are serious, I would love for you guys to join. You know, I'm not gonna beg anyone to join. I'm only here to help people that are seeking help, that want to be helped. I don't force anyone to change their life, but if you think that's you, I'm gonna put the link below. Join it. Trust me, it will be one of the best decisions you would have ever made. But I want to say goodbye to you guys. Follow me on Instagram at SplashmanPB. I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Anthony for making all the dope content on my YouTube. I'm going to put his Instagram below as well. Definitely go check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.